Hello everyone, my name is Jay. Today I'm going to share with you the second part tutorial, which is how to replace the original template game assets with the assets we prepared ourselves. Okay, now let's get it started. First, create a folder under the content folder and name it game data, and then create several other folders inside game data. Their name is blueprint. Blueprint, B-L-U-E-P-R-I-N-T, blueprint mesh and animation. The game data folder is the game assets that will be used in our game. First, find the game skeleton asset we need and go to the FPS stat packer. Find the mesh folder and the skhands folder. You can see there are many M's here. Let's first look at which of the assets here is better. The third one looks pretty good, like a bionicle soldier. The fourth one is also good, like special force. Let's choose the fourth. Drag it below the game data and click move here. Where is okay? Let's go mesh. Find the mesh hands. The fourth. Drag it to this folder. Click move here, and you can see this file exists in this folder. Okay, then go back to the blueprint folder and create a new blueprint class. Select FPS, Zambi character as parent class and inherit from it, and name it FPS Zambi character BP. Save it and click open it. Add the skeleton to the mesh and the force. Yep. And then adjust the position of the M. and add animation to make it move. Search hands empty idle. Click save and compile. Then go back to the blueprint folder and create a new blueprint class inherent from FPS, then be game mode, and name it FPS, then FPS, then be game mode BP. Click save all. And go back to the map and set the game mode to FPS, then be game mode, and FPS, then be character BP. Like this. Find the game mode override and select FPS, then be game mode BP, and the default power class set FPS, then be character BP. Click save. Run it to see. It's good. It's the effect is okay. Next, we need to add walking, running, and jumping animations to the character. First, find the assets we need in the FPS stat packer. What we need here, this. What we need here are these 4 files. They are hands empty walk, hands empty run, hands empty jump, and hands empty idle, and drag them to the animation folder and click move here. And back to the animation folder, then right click and select animation and blend space 1D, select this, select okay, name it move, yes, click save all. Let's open this file and find the horizontal axis, set name to speed, and maximum axis value is 500, and find the animation hands empty idle, and drag it to the front. Then find hands empty work and place it at the speed of 275. Finally, find hands empty run and place at the speed of 500. Okay, click save. Go back to the blueprint folder and create an animation blueprint. Select this skeleton. Names named animation BP and save all. Click open it. First, we need to create 3 variables. Is move determines whether the character is moving, set to boolean, and speed set to float. Speed is the movement speed of the character, and the third one is in air. It determines the character is jumping. Set to boolean. Save and compile. Then open event graph. Convert to add a sequence node. Connect and convert to FPS zombie character BP. Get velocity, get vector length, and set speed. Then determine whether the return value is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, set the variable is moving to true. Likewise, copy FPS zombie character BP. Get falling. Get is falling. Get go. Get character movement. Get character movement. Get character movement is falling, and set is in air. Save and then compile. Save and compile. Then open the animation graph, add new machine state, add new state machine, name empty hands, and connect them. Connect to output poles. Click open it. Add a state. Name it idle. Then select idle and drag it out to add a new state named work and run. Open idle state and find the idle animation. Hands empty idle. Drag it in and connect them. Save and compile. And add judgment to the transition state. If it is from idle to work, set is moved to true as was. Set is moved to false. Not Boolean. Okay, save. Open work state. Find move PS and drag it in. Set speed and connect. Save. Go back to the map and run it to see the effect. Make mistake. Go back to the blueprint, find FPS, then character BP, set the character movement, set the animation mode, use animation blueprint, and the animation class set animation BP. Then go back to the map, run it to see the effect. Then you can see the character is playing the walk animation, but the speed still have some problem. Let's adjust the value. Go back to the FPS Zambi character BP and set the max walk speed to 375. Save and compile and go back to the map, run. Now it looks better. Next, we add a run animation to the character. First, open project settings and find import. In the action maps, we need add an event and name it speed up, and the mapped key is keyboard left shift. Okay, save. Then we go back to the FPS Zombie character BP and find speed up action events. Then if we pressed the left shift, we should set the character movement speed to 500. Get character movement and set max walk speed. When pressed, we set max walk speed to 500. When released, we copy the node. When released, we reset to 375. Save and compile. Now we go back to the map and run it to see the effect. Press the shift left. Press the left shift. Now we can see the character is playing the running animation. Look good. Okay, in the end, the character's jumping is still unfinished. Now back to our FPS Zombie character BP. Oh no, it's back to the animation BP and open animation graph. Add a new state named jump. Then we still need add the transition state. If it is jumping, we should set is in air to true. Otherwise, is in air is need to set false. As well as the walking and the run node. Is in air, get is in air. Not boolean. Okay, save and compile. So that we have completed the character's jumping action. So let's go back to the map, run it to see the effect, press the spacebar. Now you can see the character is playing the jumping animation. Isn't it very simple? Okay, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please follow me and give me a like.